In this video, we share 10 commonly used sentences for effective communication with your boss. Watch now and elevate your office conversations. 1. Good morning, how can I assist you today, sir? 2. I've completed the report you requested. Would you like me to send it to you via email? 3. I have a suggestion for improving our workflow. Can we discuss it during our next meeting? 4. I would like to request a day off next week for a personal appointment. Is that possible? 5. I'm currently working on a project and would appreciate some guidance on the next steps. 6. I wanted to update you on the status of the client's account. We have made significant progress. 7. I believe we should consider implementing a new software system to streamline our processes. 8. I'm facing a challenge with a difficult client. Do you have any advice on how to handle the situation? 9. I would like to express my interest in attending a relevant conference/training workshop. Can we discuss the budget and potential benefits? 10. Thank you for your feedback on my recent presentation. I will take your suggestions into account and make the necessary revisions. These sentences cover a range of common office conversations that may occur between an employee and their boss. Remember to tailor them to your specific situation and maintain a professional tone when communicating with your boss. Like, share, and subscribe.